Let's learn potty time with Snow Bear. Snow Bear sits ready, steady by. Tummy says go, now we're ready. Sit, sit nice and slow. This is how we potty go. Wipe, wipe, clean and bright. Front to back, do it right. Push the button, swish away. Bye-bye mess, hooray, hooray. Baby tries, yes I can. Just like Bear,